Today, I will tell you about 40 important road signs and their meanings. Let's begin. These signs instruct drivers to pass on the right side of the traffic island or divider. Drivers are not allowed to make a left turn or a U-turn at the specified location. This warning sign shows that you are nearing a lower speed zone. In this instance, the upcoming speed limit is 45 miles per hour. A yield sign is ahead. Reduce your speed and prepare to stop if necessary. Traffic is allowed to move only in the direction indicated by the arrow. This sign indicates that a hospital is nearby where medical assistance is available. This sign forbids vehicles transporting hazardous materials from entering the designated area. Parking is not allowed at locations where this sign is displayed. You are exiting a divided one-way roadway and entering a two-way road. Keep to the right side. Pedestrians are not permitted to cross the road at locations where this sign is displayed. Bicycles are not allowed on the road where this sign is displayed. This sign warns drivers that cattle may be crossing the road ahead. This sign alerts drivers that slow-moving farm vehicles may be crossing or traveling on the road ahead. This sign indicates that traffic may pass on either side of a traffic island or obstruction. The DIP sign alerts drivers to a sharp dip in the road ahead. Reduce speed to prevent damage. This sign warns drivers to use caution because rocks may fall onto the road. This sign is placed in areas where deer often cross the road, and accidents involving deer have occurred. This sign indicates that cyclists may be crossing ahead. Reduce speed and stay alert for them. The two-direction large arrow sign indicates that you must turn either left or right as the road does not continue straight ahead. This sign indicates that drivers can either continue straight or make a right turn. Reduce your speed because the road ahead is in poor condition. This sign indicates that side roads join from the right. Be alert for vehicles entering from those roads. This sign warns drivers of a sharp left turn ahead. Slow down to navigate the curve safely. This sign alerts drivers that trucks may enter or cross the road ahead. This sign directs trucks to a location where they must stop for weight inspection. This sign indicates the recommended speed for the road ahead when conditions are ideal. This sign indicates that drivers are required to turn right. No other direction is permitted. This sign warns drivers that the paved road ends ahead and may become a gravel or dirt road. This sign is placed in areas where slow-moving, horse-drawn vehicles may cross or share the road with motor vehicles. This sign indicates that large trucks are not allowed to enter or use the road where it is posted. The no passing zone sign indicates that passing is prohibited and is placed on the left side of the road. The road ahead curves to the left. Reduce your speed